The first roller coaster was used to transport coal down a hill. After the tourists found it was so interesting and amazing, it could reach up to 50 miles per hour. The tourists asked the staff to ride on it for a few cents. It was great experience to them, so it was now become a roller coaster. If we eaten any toxic or poisonous food, we vomit. But frogs eat something toxic, it can't eject its stomach contents. Instead, the frog throws up its entire stomach. This is called full gastric eversion. In 1915, a woman was late to her sister's funeral. When she arrived, she requested to open up the coffin as she wanted to see her sister one last time. The moment coffin was opened, the dead woman sat up and smiled at her sister. Essie Dunbar was the name of the woman and she lived 40 more years. The history behind 2-minute noodles. Maggie was found back in 1887 by a man named Julius Maggie. As the product went successful, it spread swiftly around the world and it was later acquired by Nestle in 1947. In 1982, Nestle launched Maggi noodles in India with its captivating 2-minute noodles tagline. When instant food was not popular in India, even after 35 years, it enjoys approx 75% of the market share. If you are the Apple users, know this thing. Smoking near the Apple computers voids warranty. Apple has reportedly denied warranty claims on 2 occasions. They stated that amount of cigarette smoke residue inside their computers make it biohazard for the company staff to perform warranty service. This is how the Apple company take care about their staff. Russia is approximately 115 times bigger than Bangladesh, but population of Bangladesh is more than the Russia. Isn't strange? Man is trying to build shelter on Mars. That is our need also. Earth population is increasing day by day. So we have to build shelter on Mars. But the temperature of Mars is minus 60 degrees Celsius. It is very cool. The average temperature of Earth is about plus 15 degrees Celsius. That is why Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, is planning to attacking Mars with nuclear weapons. It releases carbon dioxide trapped in the ice caps into the atmosphere, which will return would make red planet habitable for life being. Mars Olympus Mons is the highest mountain and volcano in the solar system with 78,471 feet, that means 3 times of Mount Everest. On Venus, clouds are situated 50 times above its surface. The conditions are so habitable that humans can survive without pressure suit. We can colonize it by using floating shelters. During the Black Death, incoming ships were forced to wait for 40 days to prevent possible infection. The Italian word for 40 is quaranta, where we get the word quarantine. Queen Elizabeth uses her handbag to send secret signals to her staff. When she wanted to end conversation, if she puts her bag on table at dinner, it means she wants the event to be stopped in next 5 minutes. Crocodiles are biologically immortal. Instead of aging, crocodiles get physically bigger because they keep growing in the size over their lifetime. They require a lot of food. They will die from either starvation or disease. In 1999, an Australian guy named Bill Morgan was declared to die, but after minutes he woke up to celebrate this. He bought a lottery ticket and won $27,000. News media asked him to buy a new ticket as they wanted to take pictures. He bought another ticket for picture but won jackpot of $250,000. What if Antarctica continent melted? Sea level would rise up to 60 meters. All 7 continents would be partially underwater. Cities like London, Mumbai, Miami, and Sydney would disappear beneath the ocean. The saltness of sea will go away, causing extinction of most marine life. The situation of Earth would be devastating. It won't stop with this alone. New deadly viruses, which are buried for many years, will rise and we have no idea how to tackle them. China is planning to launch its own artificial moon by 2022 to replace street lamps. China plans to have 3 artificial moons in the orbit around the Earth. These will shine 8 times brighter than the natural moon. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. If you want to know about something question or mystery, please comment below. See you in the next one. Friends, have a nice day.